Insane lemon and white chocolate cookies. Look at these guys, absolutely stunning. You will need 115 grams of soft butter, 50 grams of granulated sugar, 90 grams of light muscovado sugar, the zest of 3 lemons, making sure they're unwaxed. Blend this all together. 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 250 grams of plain flour, a pinch of salt, and half a teaspoon of bicarbonate soda. ,100 grams of white chocolate chips. Okay, then you'll want to make these into balls and then place on a baking sheet and pop in the fridge for about half an hour. Then preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius and bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Mine took 12. When they come out of the oven, I gave mine a nice shape with a knife while they were still warm. And when they're still warm, take a teaspoon and make an indent into the centre of each cookie. This is ready for the lemon curd. My lemon curd is homemade. I've also got a video to that on my channel at Tasty Edition. It's very quick and easy to make. Then place a square of white chocolate above your indent. Do this while it's still warm, but the lemon curd, wait until the cookies have really cooled down a bit. They don't have to be completely cool, but then place 1 teaspoon of lemon curd into the centre. Then you'll want your cookies to completely cool down before adding some melted white chocolate. This just gives it a nice finishing touch. The cookies look absolutely stunning. They tasted so good. You must try this recipe. Look at that. Thank you for watching, guys.